How you doing, my beautiful Jays? Welcome back to my home, Mi Casa. It's Tu Casa. Today I have an exciting video for you guys, and it's the Dollar Tree haul video. Now, I want to give credit to Miss Pretty and Flawless. I will post a picture here or there, and I will leave the link to her YouTube channel in the description box below if you're interested in watching her videos. Now, she posted 2 days ago, 3 days ago, I don't even remember, but she posted her video haul from Dollar Tree, and she found some amazing Dollar Tree items that I had to get my hands on. Now, mind you, the past few video hauls that I have shown you guys, I know it probably sucks because my Dollar Tree doesn't carry everything that you guys show, and I was so upset because every time I go, I'm interested in something and I can never find it. So the fact that I was able to find some of the items that Pretty and Flawless show on her video, I was so happy and I felt like I hit the jackpot. Now, being that said, I'm going to show you what I picked up that I normally pick up every time I go to Dollar Tree because it's my repurchases item, and then I'll show you what I picked up. So, let me start by saying I always go and I picked up the Suave conditioner and shampoo, but they didn't have it this time, so they will stock up with the VO5s. So I picked up the one that says key lime squeeze with lemongrass extract. So I usually picked up the cucumber from Suave only, or the other ones because I like them all, but I wanted to give this one a try, and because I never tried lemongrass extract, you know, anything with lemongrass extract shampoo, you know, type of shampoo or conditioner. So I picked, you know, a set of that. Another thing that are repurchases item for me, I always go and if I see them, I pick up 1 or 2 of the Massive Thing Feminine Cleansing Cloth for sensitive skin. Now, mind you, these are compared to Summer's Eve cloth, so you know they are good. They are good quality. I use them all the time. I always carry one in my purse. I always have extra under the cabinet. I always buy one for my daughter so she can put on her purse. You know, when we in Mother Nature hits us that one time of the month, we're gonna always have them on hand and feel clean and fresh. So yeah, they are good. I recommend them. Then I always pick up a pack or 2 of the wig caps because you know I love wigs, and I have to have that hair tight in there so my wigs don't go nowhere. Now I pick up 3 of the Color Easy. Now it's been a while since I dyed my hair because, like I said, Dollar Tree don't never want to carry while all you guys be sharing. So I don't want to spend a lot of money, honestly, on hair dye because I don't. So when they have them, I pick them up. So I picked up 3 of these, and this is in the color black. Now I always pick up 3 or 4 due to the fact that it's good. They permanent, they last a long time, but they bring a little bit in the package. So, you know, you have to make sure that you dye all your hair and your hair is dyed evenly. So I rather lose some hair dye and throw away than have patches on my hair, if that makes any sense. So anyway, I picked up 4 of the deodorants. Now I picked up 2 of the Suave 24-hour protection powder, 1, and then 2 of the Secret Powder Fresh. I love them. They smell good. Don't matter which kind, but if I see them, I always pick up 2 of each. And now here comes the jackpot items that I found that I was excited. Now I picked up the Summer Eve Fresh and Douche. Now I usually use the one that is color pink because it's for sensitive skin. So they only had this one, so I want to give this one a try. Hopefully nothing happened. And if that's the case, then you know, I don't get no sensitivity, no reaction to it, then I go get me a couple of more of these because, you know, mama gotta have her VJ really nice and clean and fresh. So, being that said, this is also pH balanced, and it's got gynecologist tested, so you can't beat it. And it's Summer's Eve. Who doesn't like Summer's Eve? We know it's Summer's Eve expensive. Now, right here, I put in this little box right here, the items, and it's an Amazon box, of course, but the items that I felt like I hit the jackpot. Now, I picked up the Ella's Beauty Care Retinol Skin Cream Anti-Aging for all skin type. Comes like this. Now, we all know this is more than $1. We've seen them at Walmart. Then they had the Global Beauty Care. Now, I tried the Global Beauty Care's products before, but in a pouch or in a bigger bottle, and I was happy that they have these little travel sizes. And this is the, I'm trying to look for the name. This is the Gold Mask. But this is the 15 15 minutes facial therapy mask, and this is the gold one. So I was happy to find that one. Now again, I tried that one before in a bigger can. And then they have the charcoal one. This one I love. I tried it before. I had a pouch before. Showed a hole on that one a long time ago, and I bought it at Fala's when Fala was open because they closed down near my neighborhood. So I got the charcoal one. So I was happy to have found this. And for $1, you can't beat it. Now, guys, I found this napkins. I mean, not napkins. Kitchen towels. And it was so hilarious while I was going through them and reading them. But I found this one. And I started laughing, and this lady was next to me, and she was like, "What's so funny?" And I was like, "Read it." It said, "Watch me whip." And automatically it came to my head, that song. And I was like, "Watch me whip, watch me nene." And she was like, "Oh, now I get it." And we both started laughing. So it was kind of cool and corny at the same time. But then I found this one that says, "For the love of coffee." Now, you know, Mama gotta have her coffee. So it's perfect. I love that it has little hearts all over. And last but not least, this one, the one I fell in love with. Now it says, "Today's menu, whatever you cook is fine with me." You know, sometimes we feel that way. We don't want to cook. We don't want to be bothered. And they be like, "Mom, what you gonna cook? Babe, what you gonna cook?" And you're like, "Whatever you cook is fine with me." Totally. I like that. Now, JackPot. I had to. Now, Pretty and Flawless, again, she showed all these. But I think she showed actually more. They didn't have all of them at my store, but I was happy that I found some. So this is from the brand. They're all from the brand Yes. Yes to Cotton. Is it all called Yes to Cotton? No. Yes to. The brand's called Yes to. And then this one is Cotton. It protects, minimizes irritation for ultra-sensitive skin and allergy-prone skin. And it's a comforting mud mask. Now, this one I gave to my daughter a long time before because I hold this from one time when they first brought it. And she liked it. So, that's that. Now, before I show you this face mask, let me show you these three items that are not face mask related. But I was also happy to find. And this is for the brand Beginnings by Hacks. Or, what is it? Hacks. And this is the Oregon Oil hair treatment. So I got one of those because Mama need Oregon oil on this hair. And then I picked up two from the same brand of the Nourishing Coconut Oil Conditioning Treatment. So back to the face mask. I got the one that says Yes to Cucumbers. This is a soothing, calming powder to clay mask. And it's for sensitive skin. Can't beat that. Then I got the one that says Yes to Coconut again, but this one is ultra hydrating and it's for dry skin, and it's a DIY powder to clay mask. And then the other one, two of them actually, are Yes to Tomatoes. Yes, tomatoes, you heard me right. Yes to Tomato. They both for clear skin, but one is for all skin types, and it's a detoxifying charcoal clay. And then the other one is for breakout prone skin, impurity fighting DIY powder to clay face mask. So, and then last but not least that I'm so excited to try is the Yes to Grape brightening for dull and uneven skin, vitamin C boosting sleeping mask. So technically, I mean, I read, you know, across, not all of it, but technically for what I understood is that, you know, when you take a shower, wash your face or whatever, when I get ready to sleep, you put it on, don't take it off, you sleep with it, and then in the morning you wash it off. So I'm excited to try this, and depending how this work out, I will come back and give you a product review on this one to see if this one's worth it, and maybe one of the other ones that I try. I don't know, maybe I'll try a bottle of the face mask again, but hopefully this one go right. So being that said, stay tuned for more videos by subscribing to the channel, hitting that bell notification bar somewhere along somewhere so you will get notified every time I load a video. And guys, thank you for your love and support, and like always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.